Hello guys, my name is Dragan and I am near Tuzi, beautiful town in Montenegro, multicultural environment, and this is becoming a really weird. Why? Just few days ago, Montenegro Assembly, let's say, okay, just a moment, Montenegro Assembly get the resolution about genocide in Srebrenica, which was done by Serbian forces, and in newspapers there was and there is a high level of clashes between Montenegro and Serbia. And since I'm here 2 months, and here is the forest fire. It's up to your imagination to see, is this just a random fire? By the way, remote sensing can tell the whole story. So again, this is the first time in the last 2 months I have seen this forest fire. Actually, I reported to police, and I'm sure that this is, I know it's 38 degrees Celsius, but I'm sure that this is a kind of, let's say there is a high level of suspicion that this is coming from Serbia, in the sense that somebody did spark the light for this fire. So again, it's up to your imagination. 3 days ago, Montenegro Assembly get the resolution about genocide in Srebrenica, high level of clashes between Montenegro and Serbia, and forest fire. Okay, I will keep you updated because this is air quality also, but this is more than air quality. Okay, thank you, Dragan, Tuzi.